How do you get your flour? Here in Washington State, and what I've seen in Idaho, we get our flour in paper bags. This we got when we went on a road trip. Flour, it comes in a cloth bag. That's how flour should come. This is traditional how flour used to come. Now it just comes in a nasty paper bag. It's always leaking. But we picked up this cloth bag here, which is kind of cool. It's kind of like the old times. But they had every size you could think of. They had the small little 5-pound bags, the 10-pound bags, 25-pound bags, all in this cloth. All Bluebird. Here we go. This is what we get here. It's more like clumpy hard compared to the Bluebird, which is light and fluffy. Interesting, huh? Yes. Light and fluffy. More cakey. That's what you get here in Washington State. That's what you get down in, I think it was southern Colorado.